Back to Financial Pro, everyone. Thank you for being here. I just want to make another video, but long form, to touch on what Elon Musk said at the event of unveiling the Tesla robot, which is like a humanoid robot that will, in the future, near future, take over a lot of tasks and jobs from humans. So, as well as they bring in those refugees over here that will take a lot of jobs as well, because it'll probably be 30,000 or more refugees that come over here, and they need people to fulfill these jobs now to keep the economy moving. So a lot of people not thinking about that. A lot of people are not thinking about the future with these robots because they don't believe it's going to happen. But it's so many companies investing millions of dollars to make it happen. It's going to happen because they can save money on a lot of things if they have robots do the same task. Guess what? For 24 hours. They don't have to shut down the robots. They don't need robots to work 8 hours and then go home, or work a couple hours for overtime. They can have it running 24 hours per day. Not just like a human needs healthcare. A human needs to be off for family issues, things like that, or you can't work no more than 8 to 12 hours per day. You get tired, you need to rest. These robots can go 24 hours per day, and we're going into like electric vehicle economy. We're going into solar panel economy, more climate based economy. So these companies are looking for other ways to make money, save money. Universal basic income, it's going to happen, whether it happens in 5 years, 10 years, but it will happen because there will be more homeless people. There will be more people without jobs. Just look at all these evictions that's happening because of the protection ending. The virus shut down a lot of things. So Elon Musk said that with the rise of robots, universal basic income will be necessary in the future, and I definitely believe it. We have a lot of different companies, different cities, and as well, I see the Choctaw Nation giving members $2,000 from stimulus every month for universal basic income. There's a lot of programs now helping the homeless. There's a lot of programs in other countries that has universal basic income because they know what's going to happen, what's coming. It's inevitable, but we have to keep ahead of the curve. We have to keep multiple streams of income coming in to stay ahead. You got to think about your kids' future, man. This is crazy. I was just reading a book the other day about this professor who said that Generation Z might be the worst because they're stuck in their technology. They're stuck in their headphones. They're stuck in their games, the handheld games and things like that. They're not reading more. And he said something about Generation Z is more successful to suicide. I'm sorry, not homicide, but suicides, and because of depression and things like that. And that's crazy. It's crazy the times that we're living in, but we got to continue to move forward, and that's what this channel is about: sharing information that I come across in personal finance and things like that, credit, etc. I love technology anyway because that's my background, healthcare technology. But Musk is working on creating a robot that will do tasks so humans don't have to. This will take away a lot of service jobs, which is why humans would need guaranteed income. So a lot of people talk about, well, how are you going to pay for that? They'll figure it out. They got ways to pay for war and all this other stuff. They can figure it out. Taxing the tech companies, or legalizing cannabis on a full scale basis. They will figure it out if they got money for other things. Trust me. Let's see. It is called the Tesla bot, which you'll see in the picture. The picture when you click on the video, you'll see it. Essentially, in the future, physical work will be a choice, Musk said during the presentation. This is why I think long term there will be a need for universal basic income. This is a direct quote from Musk. Musk said that the robot will be friendly, standing at a height of 5'8" and reaching speeds of 5 miles per hour. But if its creation goes to plan, it will take many people's jobs, he said. While Musk's robot has not taken over, businesses across the country have turned to automation than paying humans. They have these self-driving semi trucks are already have miles on them, and a lot of truck drivers don't believe this. I used to drive trucks, man. I study this stuff every single day. They're not putting all these millions of dollars into this technology for nothing. That's for sure. Watch, in about 5 years, you're going to see a lot more self-driving trucks taking over truck driver jobs because they don't have a lot of truck drivers right now. A lot more automation, a lot more technology will start taking over these factory jobs that has the same repetition job every single day. They can run that 24 hours. They don't have to shut that down. That's crazy money they're going to make. And you have to look at it from a business standpoint other than just a worker. So you have to prepare for this stuff. You know what I mean? A lot of these companies like McDonald's, Burger King, they already slowly implementing these automated tasks, these automated machines, kiosk, Walmart, Amazon will come with. You can walk in an Amazon grocery store with just your phone. That's how you pay for things. You don't need a clerk. You pick it up, they automatically know what you got because of the technology and the cameras and things like that. So you get ready. Let's see. In addition, Cracker Barrel rolled out a mobile app that lets customers pay for meals. McDonald's started testing automated drive-through ordering at 10 Chicago locations. And Dave & Buster's plans to expand its contactless ordering, getting rid of many restaurant jobs humans once did. If this trend continues, likely universal basic income will be a part of the conversation, become a larger part of the conversation. Some cities have already started testing out pilot universal basic income programs, like I said before, California and etc. And they have many blogs. They see, this is why I share this stuff, because these people study these things every single day. They talk about this every day, and they know the statistics. They know how much money they're going to make. They're going to make a killing once this go into full effect, and you conscious of it. You're going to be conscious of it because you're going to see it everywhere. You're going to see it everywhere, and you're going to get used to it. Automation and these robots taking over. They already have. Just think about Domino's has a self-driving delivery pizza car. The crime rate goes down. Well, they might rob the car. Who knows? But at least the human is not in a bad situation where people getting pizzas and money and different things, which I don't think a lot of these drivers carry money like that anyway now, because of you can pay for a pizza with your phone or a PayPal or whatever, your bank card or whatever. So this is what it's all about, man. You guys, please plan for your kids' future because it's going to happen. There's a great article right here. I'm not going to read the entire thing to you guys, but if you want me to, I'll share it with you on the bottom of the video. That's talking about these things with automation and just what's to come. Like I said, they do research on this every single day. Every single day. So if you guys think of anything else, please comment below. See you guys next time on Financial Pro. But please research and plan for your kids' future because it's coming. And I'm not trying to scare anyone, but automation, robots, self-driving cars, and who knows what else, it's coming. So let's plan it out. Let's be prepared so we can stay on top of things. That's what life is all about. Prepare and master your craft, because we are not going to be able to stop this. There's too much money too many companies involved. A lot of people might say, oh, well, this and that, they're taking over our jobs. Look, if you don't create anything, you can't complain. You have to create. You have to own something. Then you are able to complain about what's happening. But if you're just a worker, you waking up every day, clocking in for somebody else, you're on their time. You know what I mean? So think about that. Thank you for being here. Financier Pro, please subscribe. Please comment, share. See you guys next time.